What's going on, guys? It is late August here, and I got a nice King Louis plant here. This was started as a clone early June, and it was just the acclimated clone, so it was in a 4-inch pot, about 6 inches tall. And this thing got super bushy. I used the trellis netting to low stress train it and get it super wide. And my in the ground pot is about 6 feet by 6 feet wide. So this thing's probably pushing about 8 to 10 feet wide and only 6 or 7 feet tall, but super nice canopy size, super bushy. And usually I'm running seed stocks, so they get a lot taller, but I'm really happy with the way this size turned out. It'll be easy to manage. I won't have to use any crazy ladders or trellis systems to keep this thing up, so really happy about the size. But yeah, this King Louis plant's probably about a few weeks into flower, just starting to throw some hairs, as you can see. Beautiful color on it. I had some discoloration on some of my other strains. Not sure if they're just hungry or what, but yeah, this thing's looking really nice. I just top dressed full strength with my Pride Lambs chop dress. I put about 2 cups down every week, and then I'll run compost teas through the first half of flower. And I'll probably spray one more time before this thing gets a little too far into flower as well. But yeah, I'm deep watering about once or twice every week, probably about 2 times, and then I'm running my drip lines every other day. And when it's super hot, I run them every day. And yeah. And then this thing is a Siemens. This is one of the taller plants I have in my garden. And standing next to it, it's coming up super high. I'd say about 8 feet. So again, not what I'm used to, but I'm happy with the size, and it'll be easy to manage with the trellising and the takedown when it's not super big, so I'm happy about that. But this was one of the strains that had some discolored leaves, and now it's looking good again, so it looks like it likes what I've been giving it. But I'm really happy with the way this Siemens stretched out. The structure of it spaced itself out super good for flower. The King Louis were a little bit more bushy, but this structure seems to be really nice. And I came through and pruned about a week or 2 ago, and you can't even tell these things bushed out super crazy. So I should probably do it again. If I have time, I will. But there's just going to be so much growth in there that's not going to reach the canopy. So I'd like to get that out if I have to. I will, but good practice to keep that stuff out of there just so you can keep your plant clean. And when you spray, you get good penetration when you spray, instead of it getting blocked by all those inside branches. Yeah, super happy with the way this is structured. As you can see, it stretched itself out super nice. And I have 3 different strains right now, and they're all in different stages. My ice cream cake runts are a little further along than these are. So I'm happy that when harvest time comes along, I'm not going to have to be taking everything down all at once and be swamped with work. And I'll be able to take it down in stages, so I'm really happy about that. But super nice and bushy, super wide. This one's a little taller than the others. But yeah, we're feeding full strength now, watering, deep watering twice a week, and running the drip lines about every day if it's hot out. But we're gonna get some weather in the 70s here. I'm really excited about it. So if there's any work I have to do, I'll probably try to get it done then. But yeah, hopefully everybody's doing good. Any questions or comments, feel free to ask below. Peace.